I'm in no rush to be with you. I take my time.
Sounds like a Harley. Fucked up.
Really?
When you rev it, it does.
How much was it, bro?
A lot of money.
How much we talking about? 3 grand? What the fuck is this? Hell yeah, dude.
Smells like go-karts. When we went go-karting?
Yeah, I like it.
Ah, dude, go-karting. That was good.
Let's go. Hey.